Did anybody think camera had frozen then? Welcome back to the channels, guys. I hope everybody's doing alright. Right, I've just had a postman drop a parcel off for me. Something I've been waiting for a bit to come. Now, I was on the lookout for some crash bar bags. I didn't want to go down the Krieger or the Lomo route because they can be quite costly. I wanted something what weren't mega expensive, but something what's going to do the job. So basically I was just looking for a bargain. Right, on eBay I came across these bags. They are the motowolf, made by Motowolf, and rather than having the inside waterproof liner, they're actually made out of the like rubber plasticky texture kind of thing, so the waterproof is on the outside, which I think, me personally, I think that's a lot better. I think anyway, I've put one on bike. I'm not going to do a demonstration how to attach them because it can be quite fiddly and trying to hold camera and that and getting a good shot. So yeah, so the Motowolf bags, you can see that it says 5 to 8 litres, but they do hold quite a bit. I don't know if you can see that. I've attached one to the bike already. Yeah, and they're just attached to crash bars. They don't stick out that much. Quite a good fit, to be honest. I'll just show you what I put inside it. A big roll of blue roll. So yeah, so they got Velcro inside, so they stick together, and then it's just a roll down and then just fasten. Basically just like the Lomo or the Krieger ones, but a hell of a lot cheaper. So if you're interested, I'll put a link in the description so you can have a look yourself and see what you think. But I think I paid $22.75 for each bag. So for me, it's a bargain, is that? Just for that little bit of extra luggage to put on your crash bars. So yeah, just a short vid. Just wanted to show you my new purchase. Quite pleased with them. Oh, and on back as well, they've got like a back plate. So yeah, all good. So yeah, that's the Motowolf crash bar bags, and I believe that they're universal. They're not just a purpose fit for GS. I think on pictures it shows them on a Africa Twin. I think I've seen some pictures where they're on a Royal Enfield. So universal. So they should fit any crash bar, really. But that's it. Right, so that's it. Just a short vid. Hope everybody stays safe and well, and no doubt catch you about. Take it steady, guys. See you in a bit.